How to add variable product. After logging in into AJ collection, you will see this dashboard. Then go to products, click on add new. Write here the name of the product, that is satin silk abaya. Then add it into category of abayas. Then set the product image. Set the product image. Add product gallery. After adding product gallery, select here variable product and add here attributes, that is choose color from here, that is black, green, gray. Then select size, such as large, medium and small, and save these attributes. After saving, go to variations where you can generate variations, or you can add variations manually. So I'll generate it automatically. Here you can see different variations. So add here the images, black abaya. Then set here the price. Select here the gray abaya. Set the price. Select the image. Select the price. Write the price. Then save the changes. After this all, publish this. Thus you can see your product here with different colors and different size. You can add it to the cart. Also you can check its details.